Can this broken toy be fixed with 3D printing? Let's find out. My daughter received this toy as a kit to be assembled, and in the final step, this very fragile part broke, thereby keeping it from being able to be operational. So I took some measurements of the thickness and the width of the area that was broken and began to work on how to design a part to fix this. I opened my CAD program and input the measurements as a rectangle, a couple different rectangles, and made a base, and then extruded the walls up higher. So you can see it's a very simple part, just a C block that's going to go over the wood part. I exported from my CAD program into my slicer program to just see the part, make sure that everything looks okay. And this is something that you should always do. Just make sure the part is fully flat on the glass bed, and then slice the part and look at how the layers will be printed layer by layer to make sure that there's no problems from what you can see. And as I go up and down on the part, I can see that every layer looks good. There's no overhangs, no gaps, and this should be a very simple part to print, and it's only going to take 12 minutes, so we'll find out very fast what this part looks like when it's been printed. After printing the part out, I slid it in place and attached it with some glue, and this is exactly what the part needed. It was very functional after that.